My name is Lauren Stroud, and today we'll be doing skin fold measurements. Before we actually do the actual skin fold testing, you need to make sure that your calipers are set to 0. When you are going to do skin fold measurements on a participant, you need to make sure that their skin is dry and that they are free of clothing as well. To make sure you have an accurate measurement, you want to take a tape measure and accurately mark each site that you're going to pinch and measure. And what we want to make sure is to make all measures on the right side of the body as well.
Okay, I'm Annabeth, and today we're going to talk about skin fold technique. So to start our subject, we're going to take all readings on the right side of their body for consistency, and we're going to take duplicate and triplicate readings. So to begin with, you'll grasp the area of the skin fold with your thumb and index finger, and you will place the caliper 1 centimeter below the area that you have pinched. When you pinch the skin, make sure that the subject contracts their muscle slightly, so you make sure that you're grabbing the fat rather than the muscle below. You read the measurement for 3 seconds. If the measurements are off by 2 millimeters, you will take a 4th measurement. Rotate through the sites as well when you're taking them on the participant, because you don't want to measure like 2 or 3 in the same area. You want to give it some time to relax so that you can re-grab the area. Again, 3 site skin fold markings for a male already marked out. So our first site is our chest, is on our male's chest, and it is marked halfway between the auxiliary line and the nipple, and it is a diagonal fold. So you pinch the area and you measure for 3 seconds. Our next skin fold site is 2 inches away from the umbilicus, and it is a vertical pinch, and then you place the calipers and you measure for 3 seconds, 1 centimeter below the pinch. Our final skin fold site for the 3 site measurement is the thigh. It is halfway between the inguinal line and the knee, and it is a vertical pinch, and you place the skin fold caliper 1 centimeter below for 3 seconds.
Hi, my name is Brian Zeckley, and now I'm going to show you how to perform a 3-site skin fold measurement on a female. First, what you need to do is find the olecranon process, which is right here, and the acromion process right here. Halfway between there is where the fold will be taking. This is for the triceps. So first off, like I said, we found these sites through the tape measure right there. This is a vertical fold, so you pull out the skin and the fat, you go 1 centimeter below that. Next is the suprailiac skin fold measurement. So for this one, you go at the imaginary midline of the axillary, you go 2 to 3 centimeters in front of that line, and that is where you take your measurement at a diagonal fold, 1 centimeter below. Lastly, on the thigh, you take the midway point between the patella tendon and the hip joint itself, or otherwise known as the inguinal crease, and this is where you take 1 centimeter below that point.
Now we're going to do the 7-site skin fold. The first site is the abdomen, 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus. Pinch and put the calipers on for 3 seconds. The second one is the suprailiac, which is going to be at the top of the iliac crest, and the pinch will be in the diagonal fold. Mid-axillary, which is going to be a vertical fold at the level of the xiphoid process and the mid-axillary line. And so, pinch. Then the next one that we are going to do is the chest, and that's going to be halfway between the axillary line and the nipple, and it is a diagonal pinch. Next is the triceps, and that's halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process, and that will be a pinch, and for 3 seconds. And then the next one is the subscapular, and that's going to be on the inferior angle of the scapula, and that is going to be a diagonal fold. Okay. And then the next one is the thigh, and it's going to be halfway in between the top of the patella and the inguinal crease. So have the participant bend their leg.
After data collection has been completed, you then take the average of each skin fold site and sum them all together to get one total skin fold measurement. From these totals, you place these into a body density formula. You then place this body density formula, into a body fat percentage formula as well. These formulas are based upon age, gender, ethnicity, as well as height and weight.
The normative values for the maximum preferred fatness levels for females up to 20 years is 17% body fat. Females aged 20 to 22 years is 18% body fat. Females aged 23 to 25 years is 19% body fat. Females aged 25 to 29 years is 20% body fat, and females over 30 years of age is 22% body fat.
The preferred fatness level for the males up to 24 years of age is 15%. From 25 to 27, it's 17%. From 28 to 29, it's 18%. From 30 to 32 years of age is 19%. From 33 to 39 is 20%. And all males over 40 is 21%.